it. Look at everybody. I am the most readiest girl ever. No! Moms.
Juno, did you know that Kuya Simon's house is there lang pala? So Kuya Yuan will go there.
Right now?
Pawis na pawis.
Can I
Juno,
go?
pawis na pawis.
I wanna go there. What's this? I don't want it. That's cool. Today we're ending that video. Yeah. Bye guys. Okay, so Alex, so we will be this because you hide, okay? You hide. Alisa, you hide, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have to go. 19, 20, 20. Where is she, huh? It's all hot in here. You'll never run. I found you, Aisha. Yeah. But I don't wanna. Don't go there, there's somebody there. What are we doing?
Hindi naman, naiiba lang ang first.
No, Alicia's hiding. We have to find her now. Even though we found her.
She wants again.
Yeah. This is not baby.
I found Alicia, we found you. Hi.
We should join her. Let's join her.
Alicia.
You want to join her there?
No.
I want to go there.
Okay, caramel.
Let's go. Be careful. Excuse me.
Come inside.
Come inside, people. Ay.
Child up here.
Ay. Wait.
Come inside.
Wait nga. Wait. Wait.
Hello. Dad. Dad. Ah, look down. Look down. Oh, Dad. Look down.
Stop na kita kasi kailangan kay.
Dad, look down.
Kailangan kay.
Dad, look down. Dad, look down.
We are so fun.
Dad, look down. The secret room.
We should post it now. You wanna?
Yeah, let me post it. It is my YouTube channel. Okay, bye guys. Say hello.
Bye.